Karl Gustav Adolf Decker was a German panzer general, serving during World War II. Trapped in the Ruhr Pocket, Decker committed suicide on the 21st of April 1945. He was also a recipient of the Knight's Cross of the Iron Cross with oak leaves and swords. The Knight's Cross of the Iron Cross and its higher grade oak leaves and swords was awarded to recognize extreme battlefield bravery, a successful military leadership. Military career. Karl Decker was born on 30th of November 1897 as son to an officer in Bornton in Pomerania. He joined the military service as a Fahnenschunker with the replacement battalion of 54th Infantry Regiment on 3 August 1914. In the beginning of World War I, he initially served in that regiment as an Unteroffizier. He was promoted to an officer candidate for bravery before the enemy and also was awarded the Iron Cross Second Class. Decker was again promoted in 1915 to lieutenant and shortly afterwards received the Iron Cross First Class. He then served as Zugführer of a machine gun unit after he was transferred to the Feldkriegsschule of the German 8th Army in 1916. He then held the position of battalion adjutant. During 1918, he was assigned to the infantry school in Dobritz as a weapons instructor. After the capitulation of the German Empire, Decker was accepted into the Reichswehr and served with the 29th Reserve Jaeger Regiment, the 5th Jaeger Regiment and the 6th Cavalry Regiment. He was promoted to Oberleutnant and Hauptmann during these assignments. As a major, he was transferred to the staff of the 5th Cavalry Regiment together with Horst Niemek. Shortly afterwards, he was reassigned again, this time to the 38th Armored Detachment in Mühlhausen. He later became the commanding officer of this unit. This unit was subordinated to the 2nd Panzer Division during the invasion of Poland and fought under the command of Decker near Krakow and the Jablonki Pass. During the Battle of France, Decker commanded the I. Abteilung of the 3rd Panzer Regiment in the 2nd Panzer Division. This unit fought at the Maas, near Sedan, St. Quentin and Abbeville. Decker was awarded both clasps to the Iron Cross for his personal bravery and was also promoted to Oberstleutnant. In Balkans campaign, his regiment fought its way through Yugoslavia, northern Greece, occupied Athens and crossed the Corinth Canal. Karl Decker was always leading his unit from the front. He was awarded the Knight's Cross of the Iron Cross on the 13th of June 1941 for his personal bravery and for his success. Karl Decker was put in command of 3rd Panzer Regiment before Operation Barbarossa began. His regiment fought hard in the battles at Vyazma, Bryansk and near Moscow. Decker was promoted to Oberst on the 1st of February 1942. A few months later, he was transferred to the staff of the 9th Army. In April 1943, he again was ordered to the front as commander of the 5th Panzer Division. Decker distinguished himself multiple times, for instance at Schistra, in the relief of the Cauldron of Kovel and at Operation Citadel, and was promoted to General Major on the 1st of December 1943. Decker also distinguished himself many times during the retreat of Army Group Center. He became the 466th soldier to receive the oak leaves to the Knight's Cross on the 4th of May 1944 and promoted to General Lieutenant. For his leadership capabilities, Decker was made commanding general of the 39th Panzer Corps that was attached to the 3rd Panzer Army. Decker was promoted to General der Panzertruppe on the 1st of January 1945. After his unit was relocated to the Western Front, his corps fought the Americans at Uelzen and in the Alsace. Here the 5th Panzer Army was subordinated to Army Group B. General der Panzertruppe Karl Decker committed suicide on the 21st of April 1945 after the total defeat and encirclement of the Army Group in the Ruhr Pocket. In April, Decker was posthumously awarded the 149th Swords to the Knight's Cross on the 26th of April 1945. Awards: Iron Cross Second Class First Class, Hanseatic Cross of Hamburg, Honor Cross of the World War 1914-1918, Wehrmacht Long Service Award Second Class First Class, Clasp to the Iron Cross Second Class First Class, Wound Badge in Black, Eastern Front Medal, Panzer Badge in Bronze, German Cross in Gold on 1 August 1942 as Oberst in the Panzer Regiment 3, Knight's Cross of the Iron Cross with Oak Leaves and Swords, Knight's Cross on 13 June 1941 and Oberstleutnant and Commander of the I-466th Oak Leaves on 4 May 1944 as General Major and Commander of the 5. Panzer Division, 149th Swords on 26 April 1945 as General der Panzertruppe and Commanding General of the 39. Panzer Corps.